Hi, how's it going, guys? I'm here to tell you about my SSR 125cc pit bike that I ordered from powersportsdistro.com. This is a awesome little pit bike, guys. 125cc 4-stroke full manual. It is everything I expected. As you can tell, I've been going through the mud. Really gets it. It's a fast little bike. It's not a toy. Definitely not a toy. And just ordering it through Powersports Distro online was the best. They gave me a 24-hour notice before it got dropped off. It was awesome. The guy Gary at Powersports, he'll work with you. He'll full communication. Never had a hard time getting a hold of him. This is exactly what you want to buy if you have some woods down the street from your house and you just want to get off of work and go romp on it through the woods. This is the bike to buy. Real great on gas. Fires up first kick. I will be making more videos on my channel about this bike. Trust me. powersportsdistro.com, guys. Talk to Gary. He's the man. Extra features are pretty cheap for this bike. This is an all-around great bike. The welds are very better than what I thought they were gonna look like. I looked at everything, the welds, how it was put together. This is an awesome pit bike, guys. Thank you very much. I am very well pleased. It's a little dirty, but hey, it's a pit bike. What do you expect? Look at the meats on that. Look at the meats on that. Oh my goodness, she needs a bath, eh? That's another cool feature right there. Disc brakes, front and back. Look at that. That's awesome. Most of the dirt bikes I was looking at purchasing had drum brakes in the back. Got a little night light on there for riding at night. This is awesome. I love it. Thanks, Powersports Distro.